We find a figure. Skipper is all about that. Mix up Shaka, we can't do no live video, you know, our lifetime, you know. King of Jamaica show time, you know. Hold on, you know, what the way I say, you know, how we start it? Should we start it? We can't deal with everything, you know, mix up Shaka, we can't deal with everything. Should we start it as the King of Jamaica anthem or with the man we are dealing with tonight as Skipper? Yeah, the man we are organized film business. Yeah, me don't even know if I said because someone took a fuck up talk, not him look you with your head nowadays. You can't talk nothing without some smutty fuck where you talk, you know. I say you them stay nowadays. You know. King of Jamaica show, King now, we take time go through it. Now what you may say? I want to know if I start it with, I want to know a mix up Shaka from Kingston that me if you decline, you want me joining live because you want the med. But right now we can't do that mix up Shaka. It's the King of Jamaica show. Right. And that it we start with then. We say skipper name already. Play your King of Jamaica rhythm. And we build a vibe. We a record already. Nice. Alright, turn up that. Yeah.
It's King Naya.
King Naya.
I'm king of the island of Jamaica.
Who don't know better find out.
Representing every upstanding, hard-working Jamaican man worldwide.
I have a guest tonight, you see. We know to see what go on. We have a visitor. Soon know what go on. Alright, pull up that. Pull up that King Naya. Pull up that and turn up that. Let them know what go on.
It's King Naya.
First installment of the King of Jamaica show. I think I'm gonna do it every Friday night. Villa vibes like this from about 10 o'clock to 11. Skipper is a very hard working man. We are pre-film vibe tonight. King of Jamaica, I am a money maker. Me work hard for the paper. So me a King of Jamaica. Yeah, no, yeah, me a King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work smart for the paper. So me a king. Yeah, the girls them a call me king for jam rock and me stern and me saucy. Yeah, me damn hot, yeah, me work till me hit the jackpot. Now the world and me dirt and me the under. Me's a Jamaican money man. Jam down, me make my money from. With the Jamaican money plan. That's why them a call me King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work hard for the paper. So me a King of Jamaica. Yeah, now I am me a King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work smart for the paper. So me a king. Watch it. And me a go buy everything a jam down. Yeah, jam down sea and jam down sun. That's all when me ugly, me handsome. Cause the pretty jam down dollar in a lump sum. Yeah, me a go buy jam down eyes, jam down teeth for me, jam down smile. So all when you see me Facebook profile, I will heap a like, so me say jam down, yes. Me a go buy over Dolphin Cove. So me get any girl with me loo. Me a go buy over Falmouth Pier. And have the girl them that up over there. And when me buy Blue Mountain, me make girl water run like fountain. Ooh, so me buy Red Stripe and Ray and Nephew. Me money so loud with the view. So when your brother don't know, you sure can ask your sister. Yeah, now you're full of dough, pocket full of Prime Minister. Me got Manly, me got Shira. Nanny and me wife and me helper. When me feel fear fish for me breakfast, guess what me do? Buy over Elsha. I'm King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. Me work hard for the paper. So me a King of Jamaica. Yeah, now me a King of Jamaica. Cause I am a money maker. I work smart for the paper. So me a king. Alright, you see that tune, you know, it's kind of a fantasy, quite obviously. Alright, yeah, it's quite of a fantasy where you're going to say you're going to buy Dolphin Cove or you're going to buy Blue Mountain. You have to be fantasizing when you say that. But I have another tune when I write what the name don't write it. I write this up on TikTok, I make it up. Couple of weeks ago. And I upload some little piece, right? My team for reading off of YouTube and kind of build a vibe. That tune name Get Your Money Up. Now that is not fantasy. Or is it? I don't know. But make a pre that tune now. For who don't know, my name is King Naya. I know my real name, that, you know, my legal name, but it's the fantasy. My name is King Naya, for who don't know. I'm really a farmer now, that's not a fantasy. It starts with the F, the same word there, but it's a different thing from fantasy. It's some hard fucking work. That's what I do for a living. I am a farmer from Riversdale, St. Catherine. Well, for a decade, long time, me I do farming, right? And recently, few years ago, I win one storytelling competition. Something happened to me, an incident when I go through. Me tell a story of one competition. Them recently started name What's Your Story Jamaica, and me win. It was $300,000. It's not there, yeah, you know, now. All right, come. Me win $300,000 about 2-3 years ago. I don't know. I buy camera and phone and laptop and big sound. Me have a guest tonight. All who so I go and wait. We are work out with fantasy music business first. So I say King of Jamaica anthem. After I win the $300,000, which is not much money really enough. Enough people at their monthly salary that hopefully some who are watching tonight and me only can do some business. Eventually, well on. But what you may I say? The $300,000 when I win feel like millions to me as a man. In them time, I live off for $2,000 a week more time. Yeah. So the life it set. Sometimes, you know, life is up and down. Yeah. But at that time it was down, and when me get $300,000, I feel like a 3 million and more. So I wrote that song King of Jamaica. Since then I've written quite a few songs. I want to do some of them tonight. Blend some other little thing. Wait a minute, I give a teaser. I say something. I tell you what we really are dealing with. A skipper we really are dealing with. That brother here we really are dealing with. Tonight, King of Jamaica show. It have a structure. It have a structure to it. My name like the rhythm, I tell you the truth. Skipper. Yeah, him did it again. Skipper did it again because him have a little controversy going right now. We're gonna go deeper in it. Me have some me have some voice note for play. Me have a segment. We have a segment of the thing. King Naya karaoke, I kinda that's over there now in a little bit kinda. And King's Council, me I call the segment where me have some voice note, me color them where we are discuss a issue where Skipper in right now. And me color them sending some voice note where we are going to wear the issue right now with Skipper. Me not going at it. Me not going at it. When me really want to go in on my money. Oh, we make money off of TikTok. That's a good one. Type in that in the comments because I not do the live thing in a resell. Everything new to me. Who did that hear me talk my story about? It's all new. This is brand new. This man here him look old, but he's a brand new element of this society called Jamaica. Well, I get my tune it name Money Up. I read him this. Supposed to be reading. I mean, I know it good, but we are write it. I TikTok me start write it a couple weeks ago. Me like it and say, yo, blame this. Blame this and send this King Naya. Name Money Up. Me just do King of Jamaica anthem. Enough money tune me have. Enough tune me have about money. Motherfucker, my bullshit I just string out some of them there in an early part. Yes, you know. Pull it up. Pull it up, Naya. When I get my money up, never find all the note and sitting well on. King of Jamaica show, my name is King Naya. We who don't know. And I'm gonna get my money up. Yeah, this TikTok, Instagram, media thing, yeah. Give me some big money for buy some more land to do some big farming. That me a plan. When I get my money up, that's you name. Whoa. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. When I get my money up. Money up. Pull it up, pull it up. Wait man, more you get my hook fully. Get my hook fully, people. Well on, don't clown on me truth. I have a guest tonight. At 10 to 11, I do me now go long. Whoa, oh, 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 when I get my money up, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 when I get my money up, oh. When me get me money right, only the girl them a pum tight, and them me a pay for. Me not go bother with the road a back road, cause you know the bed bugs a bite. Inna them a days, yeah. Me a go buy a skyscraper, round 10,000 acre. Start youth money for me toilet paper. So all when me have no behavior, me still dress sharp like crazy. And every girl just a call me them Lord and Savior. Oh, 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 when I get my money up, my money up, up. Whoa! Hey, pull up that bumbo cleaner. Nobody not tell me to pull it up. Who not tell me pull it up and me feel for pull it up. And some stay, yeah, watch me on my TikTok thing right now, but all when I me one there, and some go on. He's a mad king. You better know king now your money gonna up. You better watch this. Whoa, oh, 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 when I get my money up, my money up, oh, oh. When me get me money right, only the girl them we pump tight. Them me a pay for. Me not go bother with round a back road, cause you know the bed bugs a bite. Inna them a days yeah. Me a go buy a skyscraper, round 10,000 acres. Start use money for me toilet paper. So all when me not have no behavior, me still dress sharp like crazy. And a big girl them a call me them Lord and Savior. Oh, 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 when I get my money up, my money up, oh, oh. Oh, 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 when I get my money up, my money up. Me not done write it, second verse still enough. Me a go cuss out the boss man, tell him chuck off in a bad man. Long time me know say that the nigga they know in a my class, man. Me farman, you better approach with caution, cause you know say me armed and dangerous. Whoa, oh, 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 when I get my money up, my money up. Oh, 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 when I get my money up, money up. And a part of money have good. I could have partner job, I could have credit union. King Naya have to make the money move, man. Me now put me hand for me jaw. Me have to make a movement. Me don't write it, but me have vibe that I made. Get my money. Oh, 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 when I get my money up, my money up. Oh, 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 when I get my money up. Wait, see another money tune now, hold on. See what I'm right long time. This is a money verse again. Go on, King Naya, it's the King of Jamaica show. We have blame the vibes that Skipper deal with. Skipper tell a little 14-year-old youth say him not take picture with man. I fuck with that. And that King Naya say, I fuck with that. Me have some brethren sending voice note. Me don't know if I that them said to you, but we are going to find out that tonight. King Naya, no batty man, we take picture with everybody. Run, come! Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull up, pull up. His name run, come. We spell the come like how you say come, C-U-M. Hey, play on words, that's what we're doing. We're playing with words right now on the King of Jamaica show. My name is King Naya. I am the King of Jamaica. All of the girls them love me. You see that girl back on me right here, so you don't know her tonight. She love me the most. Shh, well I know. I'm gonna tell you what's happening. Yo, big up Javilani. All of the girls them just a run calm when me papa rubber band. Like Javi Javi. Them a run calm. Them a say me a the dan. Them call me the stamina daddy daddy. Them run calm. So mala pop off me and say them want piece of me stamina body body. Run calm. All of the girl them just a run me down. Them do Naya run things. Yeah, Naya run things. Me a feel rich like bunting. So me stay untamed. Bun fast and bun stunting. Young gyal give me them something, and me take it like a damn thing. To me Kyle them cheek like dumpling. When them see the girl them just a run calm. When me papa rubber band like Javi, them a run calm. Them a say me a the tan. Them call me this stamina daddy. Run calm. So mala pop up me and say them a piece of me stamina body. Them run calm. Them a run me down. Them don't know ya run things. Her name is Sheng. Sheng. A Sheng na girl name. What would go for do? Take off the cap. Take off the hat, I couldn't swag one. I'm going to play out a little thing. I'm going to something with her. This is my girlfriend. Her name is Sheng. I would like you guys to get acquainted with her. She's going to be on the show with me sometimes. Sometimes I'll be on with shows with her. Sometimes you guys don't see what we're doing, but it's... We're still going on that. Hold on, Sheng. Don't reveal up too much yet.